Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on and say thank you so much to Filiano for sending us these outdoor lights. These things are awesome. So just to preface, we have horrible weather where we live right now, and I really wanted to review these and see how they worked. So we hung them up inside on our stairwell, and we actually might keep it there. We absolutely love it. It's so much brighter and better than our other light that we had. So when you open up the box, this is what it looks like. These are amazing, and they have so many different features. So you can sound control them, you can remote control them. There's an app, which is what we were using mainly. And this is amazing. My husband installed this in about 15 minutes. It was a super easy install. And then I'm going to kind of show you some of the features right here. These are also weatherproof, waterproof. They are made to be outdoor and they are amazing. So here's the app that you download right here. You can change the color of the light. You can have it be like constantly changing. You can manually set it to a certain color. It can sync to music. You can do it based off of the holiday. Literally, there are so many options with this light, and it is really bright. I love it, love it, love it. And then another awesome feature is you can change how bright or dim it is. So it's really nice because if you want it like super, super bright, like this is really pretty bright right here, but then you also can adjust it and you can change the brightness down and you can change the temperature so you can have it be warmer or brighter. If you are needing new outdoor lights, don't skip out on these ones. They are amazing.